Imagine your bank account steadily growing, even while you sleep. Euro, that's the power of passive income. And in 3 years, it can be your reality. Year 1 is all about foundation. Think of it as planting seeds. Your primary focus should be on identifying a niche you're passionate about and have some expertise in, or can easily acquire it then. Choose 1 or 2 passive income models to build around this niche. Great options include creating digital products, like ebooks or printables, starting a blog or YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing. Devote consistent time. Euro, even just an hour a day. Euro, to creating high-quality content or developing your product. The key here is consistency and learning. Analyze what resonates with your audience and be prepared to adapt. In year 2, we nurture those seeds. It's time to scale what's working and refine your strategies. If you created digital products, focus on marketing them more effectively. Explore paid advertising on platforms like social media or Google if your budget allows. Or double down on organic growth through SEO and content promotion for content creators. This is when you'll see your audience and revenue start to grow more significantly. Consider diversifying your revenue streams within your chosen niche. For example, if you have a successful blog, you might add a related online course or explore sponsorships. The goal is to build momentum and automate as much as possible. Year 3 is where you start to truly harvest. Your established passive income streams should be generating consistent revenue now. We focus on optimization and further diversification. Review your analytics rigorously. Identify which income streams are providing the best return on your time and effort, and consider reinvesting some of your earnings to further grow those areas. You might also look at acquiring existing online businesses or assets that align with your niche to accelerate your financial freedom journey. The aim is to build multiple, sustainable revenue streams that require minimal ongoing effort, freeing you up to enjoy the fruits of your labor and pursue other passions.